Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly ad circular channel. Today we have very great deals with Target. Prices are valid from September 23 to 30. Let's get started. Tide 92 O's liquid laundry detergent or select Tide Pods 42 CT laundry detergent packs. $12.99. Downy Unstoppables 12.2 O's, Scent Booster Beads or Downy 88 O's, Liquid Fabric Softener $9.99, Select Evil and Healthy Choice, Frozen Meals $3.49, Select Welch's 22 CT Fruit Snacks $4.99, Gatorade 8-pack Sports Drink $6.49, 7th Generation Free and Clear 45 CT Dishwasher, Detergent Packs $14.89, Swiffer 52 Sealat, Dry Sweeping Cloth Refills $14.49, Select Airwick 5 Set Scented Oil Refills $11.99, Charmin 12-pack Super Mega Roll Bath Tissue $19.99, Up & Up 150 Sat Snack or Sandwich Bags $3.39, Up & Up Tableware in Seasonal Designs $3.29, Dawn Ultra Platinum Easy Squeeze 18 O's Liquid Dish Soap $4.59, Windex 26 O's Cleaning Spray $3.99, Up & Up 30-ounce GT 30-gallon Trash Bags $9.99, Up & Up 6-pack Double Roll Paper Towels $9.49, Snuggle Blue Sparkle 96 OZ Liquid Fabric Softener $8.99, Select Frito-Lay Party Size Snacks, Dips and Salsas 2 for $10, Select Good and Gather Tim Tortilla Chips 2 for $7, Select Skinny Pop Family Size Popcorn 5 for $49, Kraft Original 5 Kate Macaroni and Cheese a Dinner $4.49, Pepsi, Mountain Dew and more 12-pack soda 2 for $12, Bubbly Oda Pack Sparkling Water 3 for $11, Quaker Family CC Cereal 2 for $9, Dunkin' Donuts 22 Secti Single Serve Coffee Pods $15.49, Select Dunkin' or International Delight Creamers $3.29, Ghetto Gastro Pancake and Waffle Mix or Toaster Pastries $4.99, Ghetto Gastro Syrups $7.99, Select Tillamook Sliced Shredded and Block Cheese 2 for $7, Good and Gather Fresh 2LB, Organic Gala Apples $3.99, Select Good and Gather Cut Vegetables $2.59, Select Good and Gather 16 OZ, Frozen Shrimp $6.99, Select Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh Lunch Meat 2 for $7, Oscar Mayer Lunchables Basics 4 for $6, Select PF Chang's or Bertolli Frozen Food $6.99, Campbell's Chunky Soups 5 for $10, Select Halloween Packaged Chocolate Candy $3.99, Select Brax Halloween Candy Corn $3.99, Select Dove Halloween Chocolate Candy $4.49, Select General Mills and Kellogg's Seasonal Cereal 2 for $9, Starbucks 22 CT Single Serve Coffee Pods $14.49 each, Select Starbucks Ground or Whole Bean Coffee $7.99, Keurig K Mini Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker $59.99, Power XL 8QT Air Fryer $79.99, Apple Watch starting at $249.99, AirPods Pro 2nd Generation with MagSafe case starting at $249.99, Green Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner $119.99, Clear Eyes Maximum Strength Eye Drops for redness, relief, dryness, burning, and irritation $3.59, Pepto-Bismol 8 Dios. Digestive Relief Liquid $4.99, Carefree Acti Fresh 54 CCT Liners $4.99, Poise Postpartum Incontinence, Bladder Control Pads $5.99, Unisom Sleep Tabs Nighttime Sleep Aid Tablets Knife $19.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, and for more videos please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.